Point the pen, concentrate, write. Universities in the modern world are called upon to play a crucial role in the progress of our civilization. Stop. They are to respond to changed conditions and to new demands. Stop. They must not merely display their traditional resourcefulness but also must have the capacity for effective growth. Stop. The traditional role of the universities to serve scholarship and learning, which has been the sole concern of the academic institutions, is now further strengthened by freshly added responsibilities of service to society. Stop. The universities in a democracy can no longer be content with the limited goal of scholarship. They have to devise new programs and take into account the needs of society. Stop. Paragraph. We should also remember that democracy demands dedication and discipline on the part of citizens. Stop. Unless and until there is discipline, nothing can be achieved. Stop. In this, we have to remember time and again that education is the greatest and most powerful instrument of social change and economic transformation by which a democracy establishes, maintains, and protects the spirit of equality among its members. Stop. Quite often, people consider that in a democratic system, they are only to enjoy rights and privileges, and there is no need to observe duties or responsibilities. Stop. In this connection, I would recall the words of Bapu. Stop. To quote him, a born democrat is a born disciplinarian. Stop. Democracy comes naturally to him who is habituated normally to yield willing obedience to all laws, human or divine. Stop. Let those who are ambitious to